Hello family members, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Angry. I'm your sister from Cameroon. I do product review on this channel of amazing products I have used, my friends have used, my customers have used, and they recommend that they are good products. So I do amazing reviews on this channel. In today's video, I'll be revealing to you the body massage bath salt. Now, come closer, come closer. You know that you don't have money to go for spa. You don't have money to go for massage. Get this salt. You know you rub your oil and you're always looking as if you don't have rubbing oil in your house. Get this salt. You know sometimes your friends are asking what kind of cream you're using because your skin is behaving like one old mother in the village. Use this salt. Sometimes dead cells have clogged your pores. So you need something to be able to moisturize your body and then remove those dead cells before your rubbing oil can actually penetrate your skin very well. So this body massage bath salt, you use it 2 times, at most 3 times in a week if you have dry skin. But it is recommended that you use it 2 times in a week for your skin. What you do is that when you get to your bathroom, you wet your body, you take your body scrub, you put this salt on it, you scrub your body, like you scrub your body with it. Like, have you seen my skin? You scrub your body with it. It helps to remove dead cells and it foams. If you have this salt in your house, you don't need to have, let me remove that wrapper. If you have this salt in your house, you don't need to have savon. You can only have savon because you'll not be using it every day. Because on the days you are using this salt to bathe your body, it foams a lot, which means you will not require savon again. So you just put this one on your scrub, you scrub your skin. It helps to whiten your skin, it helps to remove wrinkles, it helps to remove tats, those small dark tats on your skin. It helps to clear away acne. With time you use it to scrub your face, it helps to clear away acne. This one is a rose type. We have the lemon type, we have the aloe vera, we have the milk. It comes in different fragrances and flavors. So but this one is a rose one. You can even see a sample of a rose flower just to let you know about this product. So if you have used this product before or you have that kind of skin problem, you know that dry skin that you always tear your bedsheet early in the morning because your skin is too dry. Also, let me say this, if you have cracked feet, like your legs, they are always cracked, you need to get this product. Use this product inside warm water to scrub those your feet that are very cracked. You scrub it with it, and if you have your legs used to, you need this product as well to wash your legs with it very well inside warm water. It is going to make your legs smell amazing whenever you wear your shoes and you remove your shoes. You know that shoe that you were looking for one side the other day because you removed it and you kept it out, and then the dog that was your neighbor's dog carried the shoe because it was smelling. When you get this product, you will be free from all those problems. So if you have athlete foot, that watering foot, that's what they call it for Cameroon, you need this salt for your skin, for your leg, body whitening, body massage. And when you massage with this salt, it helps to relieve away stress and you also sleep well. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have used this salt before or you know about this product, let me know in the comment section. And if you'll be trying this product, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in my next video.